Yo, what's up guys? Niels here, aka AppleDsign, back with another video. Apple secretly released an amazing new feature many of us have been waiting for years. And that is that we now have the possibility to lock apps individually with Passcode or Face ID. In the past there were some other apps or workarounds to do this, but now Apple integrated this into shortcuts, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can do that as well. First thing we need to do is make sure that our iPhone is running iOS 16.4. So yeah, to do this, go to software update and make sure to check whether you have iOS 16.4 or higher installed on your device. If not, make sure to download iOS 16.4 and then make sure, of course, to install it. When that's done, now we have to head over to the Shortcuts app. In the Shortcuts app, we're going to press on Create a Personal Automation. Now, within this list, we need to search for app. That is this one. Click on app, and then now you want to choose the app that you want to put your passcode or Face ID lock on. So yeah, for the purpose of this video, let's go with photos. Search for photos, then we select it, hit done in the top right. Then we press on next. Now in here, only in iOS 16.4, we get this new lock screen action, and that's the one we need to pick. Lock the screen, tap on next. In here we toggle off ask before running, we don't want that, and we hit done, and now we have our automation right here. So now when I open the Photos app, normally my iPhone will directly ask for my Face ID, or if I don't have Face ID, my passcode. All right guys, so yeah, let's try it out now. Let's go to the Photos app and see what happens. So yeah, there you have it. It immediately asked for my Face ID, and now I'm able to get into my photos. A little bonus trick here is when we go back to shortcuts, we can actually add multiple apps at once. When we click on when and then photos is opened, we can actually select multiple apps. Let's, for example, add settings as well. Let's go with settings. So now we have two or more apps. So in this case we have photos and the settings app, and yeah, now you can just lock any app with a passcode. So let's try it out again. Photos, there you have it, and yeah, settings as well. There you go, immediately Face ID requested, and then we can go into settings. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to share this with your friends, like and subscribe for more Apple related content, and see you in the next one. Peace.